Keep your home's air fresh and clean with the GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier 2. It quietly removes dust, pollen, and odors, while smart controls make purification effortless. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier 2. True HEPA filter. And user manual. Product overview. Touch control panel. Air outlet. Main housing. Particle sensor. Filter cover. Open slot and built-in handle. Air inlet. Power cord. Power plug. Filter tab. 3-stage true HEPA. How to pair. Download the Govee Home App from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. First, plug in your Govee Purifier and power it on. Open the app, tap the plus button at the top to scan for nearby devices, then select your purifier and press Add. Follow the prompt to press the power button on the unit to pair it. Once connected, name your device. Connect it to your Wi-Fi, and when you see Wi-Fi connection successful, your air purifier is ready to use. How to use? Use the open slot to remove the purifier's filter cover. Take the true HEPA filter out of the plastic packaging. Place the filter back into the purifier with the filter tabs facing out. Replace the back cover by lining up the over's feet with the matching slots on the housing and push the cover closed. Maintenance. The outer pre-filter should be cleaned to increase its efficiency and service life. Clean the pre-filter with a soft brush or vacuum hose to remove hair, dust, and large particles. Gently rinse the pre-filter with water. Dry it completely before putting it back in place and replace the filter in the housing. Do not clean the true HEPA and activated carbon filters. Smart features. Advanced multi-layer filtration captures dust, pollen, smoke, and airborne particles with high precision. It continuously refreshes indoor air, creating a cleaner and healthier living environment. Adjust purification levels automatically based on the surrounding air quality detected by the sensor for easy and optimal air purification at all times. The H13 level HEPA filter boasts an impressive 99.97% efficiency for air particles 0.1 to 0.3 microns, effectively removing pollen, smoke, and pet dander. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Turn the purifier on and off remotely and monitor real-time air quality trends. Operates with minimal noise, ensuring a peaceful environment for work, sleep, or relaxation. Maintains effective air purification without disturbing your daily activities. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier 2 from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your GoveeLife Smart 2 Air Purifier. See you in the next one.